Today we are going to talk about this sponsor product I got for review. This is really nice looking espresso machine. It is very easy to operate and it works really nicely and it gives consistent brew every single time. First of all, it has this nice large coffee basket here. You can easily refill. You can see very nice large opening, and you have course options here. You can easily change whatever the desired options you want. You can go from 1 to over like 30 something, so usually I keep it around 20. And over here, once you press the button here, the machine will go into preheat mode. You can see right now these are the only one is lighting up. Once it's ready, you will see all these 4 lights are lighting up and they are steady just like this. And that is pretty much it. And over here you can see we have the grinder, and it has a LED light on the bottom as well. And over here we have a hot water outlet. Once you turn this on, whenever the water is ready, you can see it will dispense hot water just like this, and you can just turn it off. And same thing, once you turn it on the steam option, you will see it will take around 20 seconds, and then it will start providing the steam to just heat the milk and do the frothing, and it will just going to um, heat, and you will see the steam, continuous steam will come out, and until you are ready it will continuously provide the steam. And once you are ready to like turn it off, once you get the enough thickness, you will be able to just turn it off from here. You can see this is how it's just going to throw the provide the steam, and it is pretty consistent, and it just makes the milk very fast. So you can see continuous, and that's what you get. So on the back we have this water tank. It is huge. It gets 2.8 liter capacity and very easy to operate. You can easily remove and fill it up, or you can just open the lid and fill it up from the top as well, depending on your choice. And over here this has very nice large heated area. Even up to here you can feel the heat. So this is the main area. It just heats and keeps everything heated. And this is really nice, very large, like a heavy temp. You can just use this. It just works really nicely. So let's go ahead and just do a coffee. So you have a bunch of options for the filters. Uh, you have one a cup for the dual wall, one cup. You have a standard. You can get this for the single shot, and another one this is double cup. This is for pressurized uh, output. So one already installed on the machine. So let's go ahead and do coffee. So over here, as you can see, this is our filter basket. You can see you can just push it inside here. Once you do that, you will just press this button and you will see it will grind the coffee. And on the top you can see it has LED lights. You can easily see what is going on. That's how it's grinding. So just like this, and it just provides a lot of coffee. Depending on your choice, you can just change the coarseness, so you can have like try and error while you are changing like whatever the type of the beans. So you might need to adjust the coarseness. So once you are ready, let's just pause here. So once you are ready, you take it out, you get your thing and press it down again just to make it smooth. And you can see there is a marking here which shows max, so it seems we are okay. And over here you just align this here with the insert like this and turn, and you are ready to go. So you take your cup, place under, and we will see that. So depending on your choice, you can select double or single shot. So let's press double. And you can see it has nice layer. Once it's settled, you will see it is really nice foamy on the top. You can see. So every time you get consistent result with it. So let's go ahead and make the milk. So we can go ahead and start the milk process. Once we are ready, we can turn the knob to the steam, and then it will just get ready. Within like 20 seconds it will heat up, and once you are ready you can just lower your milk inside. It's just like this. You can this way it will start. Just gently pull it and make sure you get enough bubbles. So, and with your hand while you are touching, you will also feel that the milk is heating up. So if you want more like texture bubble, you can just let it get more bubbles, more air, so that also it can stir the milk, and you can go inside a little more. You can come out depending on your selection. And once you feel you are no longer able to touch, you can just turn it off. I'm just gonna let it run, so that should be enough. So you would just wipe the tip nice and easy, and you can also point it back here and turn on the hot water side. In that case it will just purge out whatever inside. It will take out all the milk like this, and once the water is heated up it will just also provide hot water as well. So for the milk, usually I will just let it sit a little bit until it gets this texture. The important thing is you would just make sure to take out the bubbles. You can continue. So once you are ready, you would just take your milk, start pouring, and you can see. I don't know how to make the art. I don't really worry about that, but you can see this just makes really nice, delicious coffee, and it just makes the milk whatever texture you like. You can make a very thick milk foam with it as well, but overall it just does really good stuff, and you can just keep it here until you are preparing another one, because this is like heated section. So overall this machine operates really nicely. I just wanted to show you guys before I forget. So over here inside the unit you have cleaning tool. You have like a brush and some needles to, just in case you need to clean the filters. You can see this will clean the grinder basket or whatever you need to. Also it has this needle stuff. You can clean those holes for on the basket, filter basket. So I just wanted to mention these as well. So overall really nice, very affordable unit, and it provides a really good tasty espresso every single time. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.